Hey y'all, welcome to day 12 of my 25 days of Christmas. This day has gone so totally wrong for so many reasons, and I had something else planned. It failed. I started working on something else. It failed. So now I am going to do something totally different, and I am so sorry that it is not going to be resin, because I know everybody wants resin. But I am going to do something different, and I hope that you will stick around. I'm going to be using these wood pieces that I got from a store here called Mighty Dollar. Okay, I'm going to try these two Chameleon Powders. I'm going to get the brush for this one. Okey-dokey. Let's see if this covers. No. Alright, well, that stinks. I'm gonna end up having to paint these things. I didn't want to have to do that. Okay, I ended up putting some of that mica powder in my Elaine's tacky glue, and I threw in some glitter, fat glitter. I'm going to paint this thing with this stuff, and then if I don't like it before it dries, I will throw some more of that blue glitter on. It is not the color that I had planned on using, but that's what I'm doing now. That is a lot of glue. And I'm sorry that I'm not talking. I'm just trying to get this stuff spread out on here pretty well. Make sure it's thick enough to cover. At least when you have colored glue, you can know where it's all going. Kind of think I like that, and I can actually see the shimmer of the mica powder coming through. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and leave this like this and let this dry. I don't think I missed any places, so I'm going to push this one off here. Oh, there's a piece of mist. Sorry, hit the camera again. I don't even mind that that's kind of rough looking. Kind of like it. I'm gonna go ahead and do this one because I don't want to waste all the glue and mica powder that I put in there. You know what? I'm just gonna use my finger. It's just as quick. I'm not gonna leave it running while I'm doing this one. The snowflake is drying. I'm going to start working on putting this stuff together, and I need to make some jump rings, and I'm not going to bore y'all with the assembly. I will be back. end up painting the back white. After all, this is what the front looks like. I think it's pretty. Okay, this is gonna be my jump ring. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on, and then I'm gonna fix it. Okie here is my jump ring. Now I'm going to fix it. Okay, I got that fixed. The way I end up doing it, it kind of is a decorative piece too, and the piece that is hooked onto it can't move around that much either, which I don't think that's a bad thing. But this piece is definitely strong now. It can hold a good bit on it. Now, the next thing that I made were I strung the beads. This is the top part, this is the bottom, and they are going to be hung on this too. But I need a little jump ring for it, so I'm gonna get that made. And of course I made a coiled wire jump ring on that too. The reason I like to do the coiled wire is because it helps make it stronger and it will not come open, so you're not going to lose what you have on your keychain. Alright, it is on there now. This is what this piece looks like. I couldn't get that to stay down there, but it's fine. It still looks good, I think. Now I've got to get it on the keychain. So, put it on the loop. I'm going to put this one on, and then once again I'm going to make more loops because I want it to be strong, because this is kind of heavy. And y'all know what making loops look like, so I will be back when I get that done. The keychain is all together now. Here's the key ring, there's the loop for it, and then this one has that one. I need to close that a little bit better. Okay, that looks good. And there it is all together. So, what do you think? This was definitely not what I had planned for today. I wanted to do something totally different. I had planned on doing something with resin, and stuff just happened, y'all. But anyway, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button today. If nothing else, I would appreciate it if you would leave me an emoji in the comments, or just say, I like it, or a heart. A heart would be good. Alright, I will catch you on the next one. Bye.